The cryptocurrency tumbled sharply in Asia, wiping out a fourth of its market value in a 24-hour span. 12.5 is pretty much the price people are looking at this morning. It's down 17%, but for the week, you're looking at 30% drawdown. As our friend Josh Brown joked this morning, this is where value investors step in.
That's right. Well, although it doesn't even get you back to Thanksgiving. Right, so it was about 8,000 is when it really started to lift off in late November, early December. And so you sort of have so many people who got in on this ramp higher as it went vertical, and a tremendous amount of the activity happened there. So basically, you have a lot of people trapped up there. That's why those parabolic moves tend to unwind pretty fast, because you have that kind of the green investors in there, and maybe they don't have the fortitude. So, and that's also, by the way, I think why it's always been crazy to be talking about the market cap of Bitcoin, because it was just this weird snapshot based on the last person to trade a fraction of a Bitcoin. It wasn't about capitalizing anything.
Harvey Pitt, former chairman of the SEC, along with Charlie Munger, has some comments on Bitcoin as well, which we'll get to later. But this is what Pitt said about Bitcoin on Fast Money last night.
The problem we're seeing here is that people are investing in things that they don't understand. And they also are making investment judgments not based on the merits of what's being offered, but rather because everyone else is investing in it and the price seems to be going up.
That's an interesting debate here about just exactly what kind of money, whether this is true, fast internet money, or whether now, as we see reports that Goldman may put together a trading desk by summer, whether this is now real, institutional.
I mean, obviously it's a blend of it. I mean, I think the bull case for Bitcoin also all along was that it's so heavily owned by the early adopters, the speculators, or the people who really believe in the technology, they're never going to sell. That was the story you got from the promoters, was that there's tens of billions of dollars of windfall profit that was never going to be part of the supply because these guys think it's a long-term form of money. On the other hand, I think for Goldman, I think they're just responding to something that's moving. We're in a 9 VIX world where traditional financial assets aren't moving around and people aren't trading them as much. It seems like early days for something here. I don't know if it's going to turn into much.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.